Just stand right here. Look. Right here. Maddie, not too far. You just stay there, Pens. That's it. That's it, Maddie. Cold. Because he doesn't want to, honey.
Can I?
No, I don't. You can go by yourself. Maddie, that's it. Okay. You want to go a little further? All right, I got you, baby. I got you. All right. You can sit down right there, Pens.
You can like sit down like that. Okay.
You can sit right there. You want to go over there? All right, wait for Daddy. Let Daddy go first. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it.
This is it.
All right, I got you, baby. I got you. I'm not letting you go anywhere.
You can like sit down.
All right, then go.
Help me, daughter. There's your feet.
Go, go. All right, go, 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 go. Penzie, go. Hurry now. Go. Penzie, look where Madison. Go where Madison is, hon. Go, go, go. Run. Run. Run now. Run now. Go. Good girl. Good girl, Penzie.